Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that don't know me, nqobile.mkhize, and this is the Zulu Gang family. If you are new to the channel, you are most welcome. Be at home. Please don't forget to like this video and check out the previous videos. And if you like the channel, please subscribe. And if you're already part of the family, you know what it is. So today guys, we are doing a SHEIN haul. Just a very mini SHEIN haul, just like 5 items, right? And we are going to review them and see how we feel about them. Okay, let's not waste any time, let's get it. So the first item is this jumpsuit. I ordered this in a size medium and I'm not mad. Like, I am not mad at all. Like it goes, like it goes. It's giving, I'm loving it. I'm not mad. I am not mad at all. This is nice for me and it fits in perfectly. The material stretches as well, so if you are bigger, it's perfect. Like, I'm loving it. I don't know, are you guys mad? I'm not mad, I'm not complaining. It's the right size. It's, wait, I've got shades. Picture this. Picture this. I mean guys, come on, come the fuck on. So yeah, this is the first outfit. I am not mad at, but I feel like it's too short at the back. Let me see. But no, to the NO, we are good out here, and this is the first outfit. I don't want to take it off. Whoa! Child, yes. Okay guys, here's the second look. It's very long. Yeah, it's a long jumpsuit. I'm not mad at SHEIN, I'm mad at myself because it's large. That one, I should have ordered medium, so it's not their fault, it's my fault. Next time I would know better. But yeah, I'm not that mad though. It's still fun. Yeah, it's still fine. Like, it's still fine. Like, I'm not mad, and it's so warm. So this is for winter. Like, I'm not mad at all. Well, I'm mad a little bit because it could have been tighter, but yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, here's the second one. Let me model for you guys. But yeah, I'm not. This is fine. This is totally fine. The material is so warm, and if I were to rate it, I'd give it, because of the size thing, which is my fault, so I'm giving myself an 8 and left no crumbs. See what I mean? But yeah, I give myself an 8. The first one, I didn't rate the first outfit. The first, I give it a 10 out of 10. Okay, a 9 out of 10 because at the back it's a little bit short, but also which is my fault. I'm making a lot of faults these days, but you know what? It's still a pass. So yeah, this is it. This is the second one. Let's go to the other 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 one. And then there is a jacket as well, you guys. Also from SHEIN. I don't remember the size of this one. What size is this? I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm loving it. It's warm. I'm not mad. A 10 out of 10 actually for this one. I'm not mad at all. Exactly what I pictured, exactly what I saw. Love the material, love everything about it. Okay, no, actually not a 10 out of 10. Maybe an 8 because it's a suit. Like, it's very difficult to clean it and the fluffies are coming onto the material. So I'm gonna have to keep on doing this. So an 8 for that. I'm mad at them this time, not at myself. But yeah, here's the jacket, and yeah, on to the next. And then there is this one, guys. This one is for the streets. Please, I beg. Can't wear this during the day. It's another jumpsuit. I'm in love with it. I am not mad at all. For the nightclubs, it's giving, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. So yeah, this is the one. This is the one. I think out of all my outfits, this is the one that I love the most. Period. 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 It fits. Everything fits. And it holds the places that it's supposed to hold, okay, and it shows the places that it's supposed to show, okay. So I'm not mad at all. A 10 out of 10. SHEIN, you're the girl you think you are. You ate with this one. You ate with this. Imagine the lights, and I'm busy shining. In my beach era. This is what it's about. So this one, yep, 10 out of 10. Let's move on to the next. And here is another one. This time around, it's a dress. This is also a club outfit, guys. You can't just. I'm not mad. 10 out of 10. Finally, I found an outfit that is a 10 out of 10. Nothing to blame. Zero fault. Everything is exactly what I saw, and it's how I want it to be. But it's just too much of a see-through. But at night, who's gonna see? Who's gonna see? Right? Who's gonna see? So this is how it is. It has a slit at the back, but the slit is very low, which is fine. Cause yeah. And then yeah. And you're the girl that you think you are. So SHEIN here, 8, 10 out of 10. And the last outfit is this two-piece. I don't know what color is this. Brownish, but not brownish. I'm not sure what color is this, but I like the color. There's nothing wrong with this outfit. Okay, I think it could have been longer on my feet, and also if it could have been tighter, just that you guys can't see, but it's not as tight as it's supposed to be, like a normal legging at the bottom. But I'm not mad. I am not mad. Just a casual wear, you go into the mall, shopping center, you are good to go. I am not mad at all, and this is it. I'd give it a maybe an 8. An 8 out of 10. An 8 out of 10. It's fine. It's not bad. I'm not mad. It fits, it's nice, it's warm also, right? So yeah, it's comfortable. Like, it has that comfort. I don't know what material is this, but it's very comfortable. Like, it's cozy. So yeah, this is the last outfits for my SHEIN haul. And thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and join the Zulu Gang family. Bye.